Hello, Team 6-1 Social Studies students. This is Mr. Bush, and this is a screencast for Monday, January 4th. I want to wish everybody a Happy New Year. I hope that you enjoyed your time with your family over the 2-week winter break. I hope everybody is rested up and ready to finish the second quarter strong. A friendly reminder to everybody that the second quarter ends on Friday, January 22nd. So that means we have 3 weeks remaining in the second quarter before we finish up the second quarter and start quarter 3 on the 25th of January. I opened up this week's folder tonight, which is Sunday the 3rd. It is a purplish pinkish folder. We will be starting a new mini unit, the Indus Valley Civilizations. So we will be talking about the river valleys in ancient India. I made Monday's assignment very easy because I know everybody's going to be a little bit sleepy and sluggish getting started. So hopefully this will be a very easy assignment that will lead us into our live meet on Tuesday. So when you go into this week's folder, you click on Monday, which is the charcoalish blackish folder. There should be 2 things in there. The video, which will link you to the textbook, and a discussion question. So when students click on the video, it will ask them to open the textbook in a new window, so it should pop up and look like this. It takes a second. And a reminder, when we are watching the videos from the textbook, students should click on the blue icon that looks like the YouTube symbol. And a pop-up box should open with the video. And students will watch the video. It's about 3 minutes. It's an introduction to the Indus River Valley.
The first great civilizations in the ancient world grew up along great rivers. Why do you suppose that was true? Well, most people at that time still lived by farming and herding, which meant that you had to have a water supply you could depend on. Even after people started to live in towns and cities, having enough food and water was still important. In India, the earliest civilizations grew up along the mighty Indus River. The Indus flows out of the towering Himalayas in the north and spreads out over onto a wide plain.
So students will finish watching the video. When they are done with the video, they will go back to Schoology, go back to Monday's folder, and they will click on the discussion question, which is a graded discussion question. In the directions, it says, after watching the video, answer the discussion question below. Why do we know less about the ancient Indus Valley civilizations than other civilizations, like ancient Egypt and Mesopotamia? Make sure you are answering in a complete sentence. So the question is asking why we know less about these people from the video than previous civilizations we've studied already, like Egypt and Mesopotamia. 1 or 2 complete sentences would suffice this answer. And I'm asking that students do that tomorrow so that they are prepared to discuss during our live Google Meet on Tuesday. So again, that should probably only take students about 5 to 10 minutes. Once they get through the video, all they need to do is the discussion question. As far as our schedule and what we're looking at for this upcoming week, Dr. Smith has made it clear that we will be full virtual through this week. And then at our upcoming board meetings, we will be attempting to phase back into school at some time in the very near future. While we are still all at home, we are still going to meet for social studies live on Tuesdays and Thursdays only. Once the schedule changes, if it changes, we will make the appropriate adjustments. So for now, I will see everybody on Tuesday and Thursday on Google Meets, and we will discuss more live then. So best of luck completing the video assignment, and I will see everybody Tuesday. See ya.